So today I'm going to be using crayons to color my artwork. Let's do this, guys. It's getting kinda late and my hand's kinda hurting, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. It is now day 2 and let's finish up the sketch. Now let's ink. Now let's get those thick lines in. That's more like it, so let's continue with the drawing. Oh no, guys, my pen is starting to die. No. I ended up using a ballpoint pen for the rest of the drawing. Bruh. This is why I don't use ballpoint pens, mainly because I'm really bad at using them with art. Inking is now done, so let's color. I just realized I don't have a peach, so I'm gonna go look for it because I really need that for my skin tone. While we wait for me to find my peach, why don't you hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you'll get notified whenever I post a video. That'll help a lot. I wasn't able to find my peach, so I'm just gonna make the colors I have work.
Reveal time.
Crayons are not the best when it comes to coloring, unless if you're a preschooler. If you're a preschooler, then go right ahead. But if you're looking for taking art as a hobby or taking art professionally, I suggest getting some markers. It can be cheap Crayola markers or professional Copic markers. But I suggest you should use ohuhu markers. Hashtag not sponsored. They're really good and they're actually pretty cheap compared to Copic markers. So basically, yeah, go check them out. And I'll see you guys next. Oh yeah, colored pencils are also pretty good too. Where is that peach? I just can't find it.
Subscribe and hit the bell button so you will get notified every time I post a video.